Thank you for watching. This is Wild Tools Direct, and right now I'll be showing you one of our two best-selling tool pouches, small tool pouches, and the model numbers are Smato SMT-104 and SMT-105. So these pouches are 100% leather except those little rivets. Those are obviously metal. And you can see the craftsmanship. It's pretty well made. You can see the leather. The leather is pretty thick, and also even the inside. You can see that it's leather as well. And the little holders, they're not thin leather pieces, but they're pretty thick. And also, if you feel it, it's sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap. And even the belt holder right here, it's very sturdy. So I guess you could call it heavy duty. Let me zoom out a little bit and show you. Okay, there you go. So you have several pockets for different size tools. Okay, so that's SMT-104. It only comes in this color. Okay, all right, and then next type, SMT-105. This is black leather, and also you can see that it's thick leather. And the stitching and everything, it's really well, it's good. And also inside the pockets, you can see that the leather for the pockets are good. All right, and these are brand new, so you can see the little dust on it. It'll brush off. Okay, all right, so that was SMT-104 and SMT-105 for small tools like pliers, little scissors, and screwdrivers and such. So if you are interested, you could get them from my eBay store, Wild Tools Direct, or you could leave a comment if you have any questions, and also I'll leave a link for the eBay store that I have. All right, thank you for tuning in, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.